Hi, I'm Johnny Ussery with Charter One Realty, and I'm here today to introduce you to a beautiful home at 22 Inverness.
I'm Wayne Wyndham. I am proud to be the architect of this beautiful home. It's set in a southern plantation design mode. It's very symmetrical on the outside. It's got a wonderful front porch, and when you open the front doors, you immediately see the Gone with the Wind staircases on both sides. The notable thing you see is the golf course and the green beyond, and it's magical. The owners gave me a lot of options to use in this house, a lot of design, and they didn't spare any budget. Well, the owners were ahead of their time. They wanted an open floor plan, and we designed a kitchen that is envy of every person that comes in the home. There's a little window seat in there. They've got granite countertops. Then you go into the butler's pantry on the way to the dining room. The master bath is also an incredible part of this house. When you go into the closets are by far one of the most spectacular objects or designs that I have created. It's nicely sized, but it's actually 3 times the size. We designed a theater upstairs and a little anteroom outside of that, so they could have a little popcorn popper built in over there, a little bar area. Right off of that is the bath area. It's really a pretty neat feature in this house. This is a beautiful home. The scale of the rooms, the layout of the spaces, everybody loves it. But what they don't see is behind the walls. We built this house with poured concrete block on the foundation, a rebar. There are 14 steel beams between the first floor and the second floor. They're all supported by steel tube columns, so this house will not go anywhere. It will not settle. It's going to be here for a while.
This is a beautiful home. Let me encourage you to come see it for yourself, and please contact us for additional information.